There we go. It is the 29th of July, 2026. This is LRW WIKISPEED Stand-Up. You want to start us off, Dave?
Me?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I got very little done this last week related to this. Monday, I attended an inventor's Zoom. Lauren is at least familiar with these a little bit, I think. And today, I tried to fix my tricorder. It actually quit on me partway through the mega meeting that I took it to, uh, and um, and today I opened it up and I've determined that somehow everything but the Arduino is getting power, uh, and so I've traced the wires and it seems to be going to it. It's uh, I mean, being a prototype that I kind of, you know, kept tinkering with, it's kind of, messy with lots of odd connections and everything. And and I'm thinking of actually just uh, taking it apart and just like rebuilding it from scratch because, I've been, it's been on my shelf and I've been using it and demonstrating it for like what 3 or 4 years since I first made it to this project that I shelved the book, and so maybe the best thing to do is just take it apart and start from scratch and everything.
And
Um,
use the instructions from the book to see if you got the instructions right.
yeah, see if I, yeah, if I can figure out which one of them is, I've got two of them that are both actually neither one of them is working properly now. But if I can match up the code to which one the code goes to, which shouldn't be too hard because they have different sensors, and I just got to pour through the code and see what sensors each one has and everything. That's the problem when you shelve a project for like 3 or 4 years. You try to go back to it, and you're like totally lost as to what you were doing.
Yep.
Uh, Yeah,
So
I never should have shelved the project or something. I should, this was going to be like my masterpiece, this Star Trek tricorder, fully functional and everything, but oh well.
that was last week and coming week.
Uh,
What about blocks? I guess
okay.
mostly temperature.
Yeah, well, that's for going outside, which is, um, one thing I belong to a gym that has a sauna, but I don't see the point in using it when all I have to do is go out to get the mail, and I mean, I can go out to get the mail, and my shirt is wet with sweat. So, uh, um, but this coming week, I am going to try to work on the tricorder as I just mentioned and get it fixed. I'm also thinking that while I still have some semblance of it in my memory, I should write up a complete detailed report on my brain fixer. I can do electronic schematics of it and the code, write up an explanation for it and everything, and what it does and how it works and the whole bit, so that I can then post that, and open source the whole thing.
Okay.
Blocks will be, the same. I mean, basically, my blocks last week were just having too much to do, mostly between taking care of the house, which is mostly yard work and some minor repairs, and health related things like, going to various medical related things and everything. Um, and so I'll probably have the same blocks this coming week, just having too much to do. Um, and I guess that's about it.
Okay, it's Lorne on island in the Salish Sea off British Columbia. And the past week, didn't do much, but I did format. I looked into my hard drives where I was having trouble backing up onto. So I looked at all three hard drives, external hard USB hard drives, formatted one of them because it was formatted for Macintosh. It's a used one. And that's about it from that point of view. But that took some time. Coming week, then same as last week. That would like to get the computers backed up and so I can move ahead confidently with other things and have a backup. And the blocks are well. The I'm still having a kind of epic with eBay. So I reluctantly eBay pushed me to use the UPS option was much cheaper than any other option, the post office or FedEx. But I'm reluctant to use UPS. They more frequently lose stuff.
Mm.
And the the delivery didn't work out, so I asked for it to be shipped back to me. And they said, fine. This was in about 2.5 weeks ago. And they said it would be here in 3 to 5 business days. So I called them this morning, and where it's at now is the item is in Florida. There was a technical problem, and the 3 to 5 days starts now because they there was some technical problem and it didn't get sent the way it should have been. And that took up that took up time, and so that kind of red tapes thing always and I'm actually kind of still in the middle of various red tape snafus. So that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Walchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. I didn't get anything done I was hoping to get done this week. Um, Basically, we're getting ready for company coming this week, and I didn't realize the to-do list was kind of bigger than I was expecting. So we've got company from now until at least Tuesday, and then I think the next set is coming on Wednesday. So I'll try to make the meeting next week. I don't know that I will be able to. I'll try. And that's basically my blocks is that we got too much company. But it's yeah, it's good. I mean, that's what summer's for is to have people over and stuff. So um, anyway, retro, Dave.
Okay. Well, I'll give myself a point for attending the inventor meeting and a point for starting on trying to fix the tricorder and a point for being here. So I'll give myself 3 points. And I guess I'll give the group. I'm going to give one credit for working on his computer. I mean that's related to the work. You got to do that. So I give the group a 3 too.
Okay,
Okay,
Warren.
yeah. I'm my point system is more generous, so I'll give myself a 5. The team of five. The team. I think the whole is greater than the part, so I'll give the team a 7. And process improvement. I'm thinking summer is for all of us seems to be busy, so I'm thinking set a kind of a goal to get things more intensify things in September, and possibly reach out to people the way we did last couple of years. But maybe try and do that.
Okay, I'm going to give myself a 1 for showing up. I didn't get anything else done, and I'm going to go with a 6 for the team. And I'll stop recording here and give me a second.